section for Salvador Garcia. Ms. Benavides has given me the 411 on how to get her collection analysis. So from catalog, I click on Tidal Wave, and then from Tidal Wave, we went to library materials, which I already did, and then it opens up to the Tidal Wave time. Here's the date and time that she has done a collection analysis, and the last time she did it for me specifically was on November 5th. So I'm going to view that analysis of her current collection right now. And she's got almost 15,000 books. The average age is 2,000. Each student can get around 31 books. Now what we're going to be focusing on right now is weeding. So we came to age sensitive areas, and she has quite a bit of things that need to be weeded. Specifically right now, we're going to weed the 610 to 619, which is medical science and medicine. She has already generated this report, and it has the list and call numbers and years of every single book on that list, which is right here. And we have just highlighted all the ones that are from 1995 or younger. And this is what we're going to weed. So far, we have gathered about 5 or 6 of them. And I'm going to continue doing that because she wants to update her nonfictions. And we're going to start with the medical science. So here is the list that was generated. And all the highlighted ones, as you can see, 1987, 1994, 1993. So we're going to go and weed through all these so she can have a more updated collection. And then we're going to generate her wish list for to restock this section. And we did about 3 pages so far. Okay, so that's what we did so far. From the list that we generated, I have 6 books that we already pulled from the shelves. And what we need to do first is we need to weed it from the system. So we're going to we're on Destiny catalog. Go to the catalog. From a library search, where we're always at, we're going to go to update copies and delete individual copies. We're going to track it as weeded. So from here, here's the scanner. There you go. Exploring careers in nursing. There we go. So I'm going to just scan all these books while I'm here, so I don't have to keep going back and forth. And these are already generated as weeded. There we go. There's another one, and the last one. There we go. Okay, so all my 6 copies are generated as weeded. I can leave that alone for now. And then, let's start back with this one. We're going to take off the stickers. All evidence of Salvador Garcia needs to be removed from the weeded books. That includes the barcode. That's good. The call number can stay because it doesn't have Salvador Garcia's name. Here's a stamp that was on before, so we need to scratch that out. Look through all the pages. Skim through the inside pages. Nothing on the inside. Go to the back. Nothing here, but there is one on the back cover of the book. So this is weeded. I can put it on the weeded pile. Now this one has a jacket. So what Ms. Benavides has instructed me to do is that we can use the X-Acto knife to just cut out, carefully, don't cut yourself, cut out the barcode. Now it doesn't have to be perfect because obviously it's going to be weeded. But the barcode label has evidence of Salvador Garcia, so we got to get rid of that. That's trash. careful with that. Nothing here, nothing here. Nothing in the front. Now we start blacking out her stamp. This one's in the page, so get that out. Check the first few pages. Nothing. Skim through the inside. Nothing. Back cover, definitely. Right there. Nothing in there. Nothing here. So we're good. We did 2 books. There we go. Okay, so the next book protecting that I'm doing is with the Easy Jack book cover, and I've already cut it all out. I've cut out the plastic sheet around the book cover. I'm squeegeeing the edges so it could be perfectly taut and secure. Okay, so here is, here is the book. That's the middle section. And we're going to put it over, make sure this is squeegeed and good. So 2, squeegee. Excellent. Okay, now we got 4 pieces of the pre-cut tape. 1. Well, let's start with 1 at a time because I don't want to make a mistake. Okay, so we at an angle, and into the book cover, the book, not the other plastic. There we go, that's one side. And here is another, at an angle, right here, into, no, I think I'm doing this incorrectly.
Put it at an angle.
Huh? Oh yeah, it's not at an angle.
At an angle. Just try another tape.
Oh, another tape. Okay.
Yep.
I got another one. Okay, at an angle like this.
Yeah.
There we go. Put into the book cover. There we go. Let's squeeze it. Oh, how exciting.
32.
Okay. All right, well, you can stop there. Yes. Okay, so here I am. Ms. Guerrero, my mentor librarian, has just given me the instructions for reinforcing paperback books. So we have a whole class set of Ronald Dahl's, the BFG, and we're going to reinforce them because the 5th graders are about to use them, and they could be pretty rough on them. So we're going to take care of that. So first, we have these Capco Easy covers. We have 2 sizes. Now this particular book is small, so we're going to use the smaller size Capco cover. There is also a bigger size for bigger books. But today all I need to do is use this small one. And another tool that I'm going to use is this Capco little squeegee that to squeeze and take out all the air bubbles off the tape. And we also have an Easy Blank polyester repair tape. This is to put on the inside cover of the book to reinforce this section so this doesn't tear off. That's going to be towards the end though. Okay, so here are all our tools, and the first thing we have to do is I'm going to outline this book. Now it's very important that it is not completely flush. We need to leave a few millimeters of space, if you could see right there. It's not going to be completely flush, so I'm going to outline it so I can cut that. There's one. This is for the back cover, and then for the front cover I'm gonna put it in the middle of these two different seals. That's gonna be for the spine.
It goes on the other side. It goes like this.
Oh, sorry.
Like
Oh,
that.
yes, because the front.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. And that I need to give at least 1.5 centimeters of space. Once again, not being entirely flush, okay? Yeah. Okay, so I have just reinforced the Ronald Dahl BFG, and as you could tell, the tape is on there. We put the reinforcer inside the middle as well, so it's a very secure book, and also it's on the back cover as well. And I don't know if you could tell the difference. This one's more glossy. You could tell that the tape is on there. There, I did it. So here is another reinforcing tool, and what we're gonna do, this particular tool, we're not sure what it's called, but it says it's a taping system applicator. It only reinforces the spine. So this is a nice book. The spine has not been damaged yet. So we are going to put it on face down, and you kind of squish it down, and it'll there's like a little lip here that'll hold the book in place. It has to be aligned with this black line that's inside right there. And here's the tape that we need to be gentle in pulling because it comes up. So I'm gonna pull it, pull it, pull it to the length of the book. There's the length, excellent. And then real quickly with this razor, oh yay, it came off. Now we pull it out, and then you stick it in here. Oh no, I didn't. Oh, here it is, yeah. And this is like your squeegee, your built-in squeegee. And I think it's a little bit extra. I might have to cut right here. Put too much, Ms. Benavides, I'm sorry.
Okay.
And here you go, your spine is reinforced. How fun. Yes, you're gonna do research on space? Okay, have you ever picked out any books on space before?
No.
Okay, so do you have any idea where they might be in the library yet? No? Okay, well, let me show you where we can find it. Okay, you want to sit down here? Okay, so here is our Kennedy Zapata Cymbaloo, and for you to look on the library website to find a book, and you're specifically on space, let's go to Destiny. Can you click on Destiny? Go ahead and click on Destiny. And let's find Kennedy Zapata. Okay, so this is the card catalog. So all you have to do is you can type in space, because you want to do it on space. And you see this? This is the list of all the books that Kennedy Zapata has on space. So here we have space flight, space travel, space exploration. What exactly did you want to look for on space? Okay. You want to look for planets, okay? So here's space exploration, space facts or fibs. Why don't we go back to the top, to the subject. You can go back to library search, because you're going to search in the library. And what do you think we should change it to? Planets, that's better. Excellent. Oh, look at all these books for planets. So this is everything that's in the library about space and planets, so look through it. Do you need it for your level? Okay, so here we have the level. Here's 4.8, 4.8. Here's K through 3 level, so you could look through all the pictures of the titles and pick which one you think will be best for your research. Here, this one's just, that one's in Spanish, and on Mars. So you could pick a couple, and we'll see. You wanna look at that one? Okay, so from here, you don't have to go very far anymore, because all you have to do, you see this call number? That's the number on the side of the book, next to your AR points, that'll tell you where in the library we can find the book. So what numbers do you see for the call? Okay, so write that down, 523.44, and then KUK. KUK is the last name of the author's, those are the first three letters of the author's last name. Do you want to see if we can find another one?
Okay.
That's not it. Comet. 52344 HAN, was that one of them? Do you want to check it out? Maybe you might be interested. We could put it aside. Put it aside. Let's come over here. Let's hear some more 523s. Let's see. 523, 3, 4, 7, 5238. 5239. 5239. Okay, so it looks like we've already gone ahead. Oh, look, here's a 523. 233. So according to this, the books that you have here are probably checked out. Even though it didn't say it, maybe they're waiting to be shelved, but they're not on here. Do you think these will be useful to you?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll hold on to these. Okay, pause it. All right, Yalevi. So since we didn't find the books that you were looking for